Hello and happy Thriving Thursday. So today I want to talk to you about virtual open houses and virtual tours and what is the difference. So Realcomp has enabled a virtual open house feature. You would add it similar how you added any normal open house, but now there's a drop-down option for virtual, and you can put the link in there to whatever online platform you're going to be using. Either Zoom, my personal favorite, Facebook Live, or some of the other platforms that I'll give you suggestions at the end of the video. So during the virtual open house event, it will actually be your seller live at their home on their phone, just kind of sitting there and waiting as we do for anyone to show up, but in the virtual platform. So once someone does, the seller would walk through the house, show them the features of it, and hopefully that's something that you practice with your seller beforehand. Instruct them how to walk through the house, what kind of features they should highlight, and stuff like that. And you'll hopefully be there virtually. So if you're on Zoom, you'll kind of be sitting in there with them and kind of answering any questions. Hopefully you'll be the primary person talking, not too much the seller talking. And Realcomp will be promoting these on the third-party websites. So hopefully people will be attending the virtual open houses like they are, the normal in-person ones that we're used to. So similar for a virtual tour, but that would be more of like your private showing. So the seller would still be facilitating this, but it would just be kind of one-on-one, and hopefully the other agent can attend as well as you, but these would be at scheduled times. So it'd still be your seller walking through the home on the virtual platform at that scheduled time for those clients that have requested that showing. So I have a couple articles that help you explain this process to your sellers and some tips for them and for you. But obviously, if you're going to be listing a house and doing things this way, you definitely want to practice with the seller beforehand. So Realcomp does have some verbiage to use for the virtual showings. It is virtual showings are available, call to request. So hopefully the other agent will call you and you'll set this up, like you normally do. There's also a great article by Riz Media that I'm going to link to that gives your seller tips on how to get their house ready and things for them to do. So some of the great video platforms that you can use for all of these virtual tours and open houses that hopefully we'll be doing. Facebook Live. So you could go ahead and set up a private group for this listing, so then you can invite the agents and the clients in, and you could do a Facebook Live from the seller, and then just the people that are in that group would be able to watch it. Facebook Messenger. So anyone that has Facebook Messenger, you're actually able to video chat with them. Because we know if you have FaceTime, that's great for Apples, but not so much for the Androids. So to connect with all the Android people, if you have Facebook Messenger, you can do a video chat. There's Google Hangouts and Google Duo, Skype, old-time favorite, and then Zoom. So I really love Zoom. It's definitely worth the upgrade to the Pro version. It's $15 a month, and you get unlimited time. Because with the free version, you're only getting 40 minutes if more than 2 people are in that chat. So a typical showing could take more, and it may take more in this virtual fashion. And then of course, open houses, if you're gonna have an open house, for a 2-hour block, you're gonna need that extra time on Zoom. And Zoom is nice because you could be sitting in there with your client talking, and then if someone comes in, you can kind of help show them around. So I know it's kind of a different way of doing things, but it's a way of doing things right now to keep everyone safe and to keep your business moving. So if you need help learning how to use any of these platforms, Zoom, any of the other ones, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. I've been using Zoom for a while now, and it's definitely easy to use, but I can definitely help you out with that. So hope everyone's staying safe out there. staying healthy. Hope you have everything you need. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Hope you're having a great, thriving Thursday and have a wonderful weekend.